Hey, welcome to Chelsea's Quick Bites. I'm excited to hang out with you in the kitchen today. Get ready for some cooking shenanigans as we whip up something delicious together. Whether you're a cooking guru or simply just love good food, we're going to do it all. Today we're going to be making healthy banana bread and the ingredients are listed below. First, you want to get some super ripe bananas and gather all your ingredients. Before you get started, preheat your oven to 325. In a large bowl, add your coconut oil and honey and whisk it together. Here's how it looks when everything is mixed together. Then you're going to add your egg and whisk that as well. Get your ripe bananas, mash them up and mix them in with the milk. Add in your baking soda, cinnamon, salt, and vanilla and mix it all together. Now when it's time to add in the wheat flour, do not use an electric mixer, just use a spoon and fold it in. Here's how it should be looking before you grease your pan and put it in the oven for 55 to 60 minutes. Here's the finished product, healthy and delicious. Thanks for watching. Join me next time on Chelsea's Quick Bites.